Kolkata police, meanwhile, have taken in custody a student leader, Sayan Lahiri, one of the organizers of the Nabana Abhiyan on Tuesday under the banner of Paschim Banga Chhatra Samaj. Student leader has been arrested for criminal conspiracy that, according to sources in Kolkata police, Lahiri met a political leader at a five-star hotel in Kolkata a day before the march. Which political leader did the student leader meet? Police have already told and to the reporters on the ground that they are saying, according to the cops, they are saying that the protest, though was by the students, but was politically motivated. Shreya Chatterjee continues to be with us. Shreya, constantly we are flooded and updated with all the news coming in. But why arrest a student leader? Because students were protesting, were seen on the streets. What is this political angle here and why take one in arrest?
Well, Pooja, this is something that the Kolkata police and the Trinamool Congress has to say, that the protesting student union was not completely apolitical. It was linked with the Bharatiya Janata Party, and also in a press conference where one of the student leaders who was associated with this program was asked that whether he's associated with any political party, he did agree the same. So clearly, that is the reason this kind of a crackdown is seen. And the Kolkata police also said that they had an interception that this person allegedly met a political leader in a five-star hotel before the meeting. So they're smelling conspiracy is why they have arrested this particular guy. But clearly, this will only mount anger on the BJP, particularly because right after the crackdown on the protesters in the student protest, we saw Sukanta Majumdar of the BJP sat in protest outside the Lal Bazaar seeking their release. So the politics unlikely to die down anytime soon with both the BJP clashing with the TMC, given they've also understood that this is an opportunity that they've got after a long time.
All right, Shreya continues to bring us updates. Shreya, that there are details coming in. Now there's been a political showdown right now. We have these visuals, remember. This is yesterday. The Nabana Abhiyan that took place, it was a protest that did turn violent as well. There was force used by the cops. There was stone pelting, breaking barricades from the protesters' side. And now, BJP State President Sukanto Majumdar writes a letter to Governor C.V. Anand Bose, urging the governor to take strict action, asking the police to immediately release arrested students. Remember, BJP has been maintaining from day one that some of the students are missing, some of the protesters cannot be contacted, and the police have detained them. Now, this is a charge that Kolkata police denied. But one student leader has definitely been arrested, is what has come. Ritik Mondal joins me on that. Ritik, tell me, what is this about now, the BJP writing to the Bengal governor, and why? And looks like some student leaders or protesters have been arrested as well.
Well, Pooja, what we do see that now the Sukanto Majumdar State President and, of course, Union Minister writes to the governor seeking, strict action and intervention over this issue. Remember, we have been being told over hundreds of protesters and those who belongs to the Paschim Banga Chhatra Samaj, carried out the protest march to the state secretary yesterday, and police did crack down on them. They have been detained, have been arrested. Now, as we know that the governor, C.V. Anand Bose, already spoke to the media just day before this much-awaited Nabana Abhiyan and requested police and said that he did not want any, kind of crackdown or action against peaceful protest by students. So now, but we do see that Sukanto Majumdar requesting him to intervene in this matter to release these all students, protesting students, and let me tell you that one key leaders have been arrested, Sayan Lahiri, who allegedly involved in conspiracy, police said, and he met political leaders at a five-star hotel in Kolkata just the day before this rally.
Because I clearly see that traffic is plying. In what part of Kolkata are you? Because BJP says there's a full-on 12-hour Bandh call. TMC government says, cops saying this will not be allowed. Services have to continue. What do you see around you in the city?
Definitely, Pooja, let me take you through what is exactly happening over here. I am currently at airport area. A lot of news are coming in across the state that where BJP supporters are staging dharna protests, and they are even clashed with the police, be it in Murshidabad, Hooghly, or in North Chobbish Pargana. But we do see now in this particular area of the city where traffic movements are pretty much normal, and we can see that the buses are on the street. But let me take you through this with this visual, because that will be a huge challenge for the cops to maintain law and order situation amid the situation when the TMC supporters, today is the foundation day of the Trinamool Congress Chhatra Parishad. TMC is a student wing, so we expect a huge number of supporters. They will be on streets, as you can see behind me. I know TMC supporters, they have already arriving over here. They will head to Kolkata's Gandhi statue, where Mamata Banerjee and Abhishek Banerjee is expected to address these people, their supporters amid this situation when the entire city and the entire state is boiling over the horrific killing and rape of a junior doctor at Artikar Medical College and Hospital. So maintaining law and order amid a situation when both the wings of ruling dispensation and the opposition will be on street, and there is a full-on Bandh has been called by the general strike has been called by the BJP, and the initial visuals and reports are suggesting that it is going to be a very tough and difficult task for the cops in the city around. And we are getting information that in Hemtabad,
Show us around. Ritik, show us around.
BJP
What do you see around you? I see cops have been deployed. I see protesters who are doing sloganeering. Show us around more visuals.
Definitely, let me take you through with these visuals. As you can see, a huge deployment and a huge bandobast has been done over here. We are given to understand over thousands of cops will be on streets. We can see that the protesters are, and let me correct myself, that they belong to TMC supporters. They're heading to the Kolkata. दीदी आप लोग कहाँ जाएंगे?
हम लोग अभी इधर में खड़ा रहेंगे। अभी सब करेगा उसको।
आज तो एक बंद का बुलावा है, इसमें तृणमूल कांग्रेस का भी आज एक प्रोग्राम है। क्या सब कुछ शांतिपूर्ण रहेगा?
সব শান্তিপূর্ণ হচ্ছে, সব গাড়ি ঘোড়া চলছে, কোনো অসুবিধা হচ্ছে না। স্কুল কলেজও চলছে, সবকিছু খোলা। দোকানপাট থেকে শুরু করে সমস্ত কিছুই খোলা। গাড়ি ঘোড়া সবই চলছে।
क्या आपको नहीं लगता, देखिए पूरे बंगाल में जिस तरीके से अब उबाल है इस घटना को लेकर, क्या आपको नहीं लगता कि इस बीच इस दिन का इस तरीके से पालन करना तृणमूल कांग्रेस को ये कैंसिल करना चाहिए था, क्योंकि लोग गुस्से में हैं। देखिए महिलाएं सड़कों पर है, जस्टिस की मांग कर रहे हैं। तृणमूल कांग्रेस की महिलाएं किस तरीके से इस बात को
सब ठीक ठाक ही है।
कैसे ठीक हो जाएगा मैडम? पूरे राज्य में जो लोग उत्साह है, लोग कह रहे हैं कि आंदोलन कर रहे हैं, कि जस्टिस की मांग कर रहे हैं, क्या सुनना चाहते हैं? आज ममता बनर्जी पहली बार इस घटना के बाद एक रैली को संबोधित करने वाली।
बंद होने के साथ तो कुछ नहीं होगा ना, सब शांतिपूर्ण से साथ ही होगा।
ममता बनर्जी आरजी कौर के मामले में बोले, आज ये उम्मीद रखेंगे आप लोग टीएमसी के सपोर्टर से?
টিএমসি সাপোর্টার যে মমতা ব্যানার্জি তো বলেছে দোষীকে তার সহায়তা করবে, আমাদের তো বলেনি যে না ওকে যারা দোষী তাদেরকে সহায়তা করুন, কিন্তু তা বলে তো এরকম আন্দোলন করলে চলবে না, আন্দোলন করতে হবে, আমাদের আন্দোলন শুরু হবে।
So these are the voices, we are bringing to you that. Let me tell you, Pooja, this is going to be a very tough task for the cops. We can see when hurriedly several cops have been deployed amid this situation that when TMC supporters have started arriving over here, we are also expecting BJP supporters will stage protests over here, and huge tasks as we speak. We are getting a lot of information, be it in Kolkata or other side of the states, where protesters are being detained, are being arrested by cops. There is a strict instruction from the higher authority of the administration that there will be police have been directed to take strict action whenever or wherever the protesters of Bharatiya Janata Party they come on the streets in the protest of Bandh, this general strike. And that's gonna create huge ruckus we do expect in many places, be it in North Chobbish Pargana or in Hooghly, where local train services have been disrupted. Be in Kolkata, if you take as per the local train services between South Chobbish Pargana and Shialda is concerned, BJP protesters staged protests and they stopped local train Dakshin Barashat, what we are precisely given to understand. That caused chaos on the streets. And we are also learning that some of the protesters of Bharatiya Janata Party, they went to the local metro station. They are also protesting at the Esplanade Metro Gate. So the initial visuals and news what we are getting in, it gives us a pulse, it gives us a sense this is going to be a huge task for the cops to maintain law and order situation. Though particularly in this area, in Kolkata's airport area, we see that the buses are plying normally, and usually, this is the office hour. So what we do believe that people will come on the streets for will be going to offices. So amid this situation, the local train services has been disrupted in many parts across the city.
Yes.
So this is going to be a huge task for the cops.
Stay on with me, because look at the visuals on your screen. There's a full-on scuffle taking place. This is not even hours since the Nabana protest took place. We have these visuals coming in. The cops are dragging these protesters. Most of them are associated with the BJP. With the flags in their hand. There's paramilitary, there's rapid action force, there's Kolkata police. The orders are clear. Bandh should not be successful. Services cannot be impacted. BJP says there is anger on the streets. These are the citizen voices against Mamata Banerjee government. Look at that. Women personnel also have been deployed. They are pushing these women into the vehicles. They've been detained briefly, is what we are told. Ritik, as we look at these visuals, it's clear that the cops will not even let them congregate, because it's not like there is gathering, they're there for an hour or so and then they may leave. The fact is the cops and the forces are very clear that there will not be these big gatherings. How is this being seen on the ground?
Definitely, that's the instruction what they have been directed by the higher authority of the administration, because Mamata Banerjee, who is betterly known for her street politics and opposing the ruling dispensation when she was in the opposition in Bengal, because she fought a pitched battle and a very long battle against left parties. But we did see when she coming into power, she directed every time she directed her administration to be zero tolerant about the bandhs or any kind of street politics. So what we do see around that as following the strict action from the administration, now cops have been deployed. We are currently in airport area, which comes under Bidhannagar Police Commissionerate and Barakpur Police Commissionerate precisely. And but we do see that senior cops have been deployed. And let me tell you that over thousands of Kolkata police personnel will be on streets since the VR this morning to maintain law and order in many places, be it in Bhabanipur, in Chala, in Sham Bazar, where protesters came on the streets in support of Bandh. Police immediately tried to detain them. They pushed them back, and very scary details are coming from several districts, be it in Malda, in Murshidabad, in Kuch Bihar, where protesters were prevented from protesting peacefully on the streets. And visuals are emerging from Ahmedabad, where protesters set rubber tire on fire on the streets, and police immediately took actions. So it shows the amount of pressure that police are under now, and there are strict action to be taken by the cops.
Keep tracking all the latest. It's the morning. It's about 8:30 a.m. 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. is the Kolkata Bandh. While the administration's efforts will be to show nothing has been impacted, all is well, BJP and those who are angry with the Mamata government are out on the streets to prove otherwise.